everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Myself, Sushmita Shetty, mother of Saesha Shetty, who is a student of Rainbow Preschool International Kasaragod branch, studying in Senior KG. Today I would like to take this opportunity to share my experience with Rainbow so far. We have been associated with Rainbow from past 3 years now, and our journey from playgroup till now has been astounding. From improving her confidence level to developing her language skills and being able to present herself so well, there has been an overall development in Saesha. The academics here are very well planned and executed, and the learning procedures are very easy to understand, creative, fun and participative too. Teachers, management and coordinators are all supportive and accessible. I still meet people who ask for opinions like what is the right age to enroll kids for schooling, what to teach them and how to keep them engaged. Some time back, it was my concern too. But I always said we should not compromise on our child in early education if we get a right platform. I am so glad that looking at parents' concern for our little tots, Rainbow Preschool International has introduced an amazing short-term program called Mini Minds, a journey full of wonders, crafted for your toddlers, which will help them in smart learning. Now, every child can experience preschool learning from home with twice a week live sessions, pre-recorded sessions, followed by parents' interaction sessions with your experts.
Oh, this is a creative mama. Apple printing.
Yes, wow. You cut apples and put prints.
Oh, this is balloon dabbing.
Balloon jabbing. Wow.
Card wheel printing. Card wheel printing.
Yes.
Card.
It's going to be fun to do this.
Yes. Wow, this is duck, mama.
Yes, that's duck. It's going to be fun.
Yes. Mama, look.
Wow. What is this?
This
A
is
to Z
flashcards, right?
Yes, they are flashcards with animals.
Wow.
What are these?
These are air transport.
Air transport. Oh my god. See how it is to be done. Oh, this is this way. Very nice. Okay. Sort and put them. Oh yes.
Water transport.
Water transport. Yes. And see? What is this?
Road transport.
Very good. Road transport. Right. So, we have so many such activities.
Yeah.
Look, pattern tracing,
Wow.
fruits and vegetable sorting, color sorting, many such activities are included in
And
this.
this.
Yes, that is habitat, animals that we're just going through, right? Yes. The best part of this program is it includes an exciting box with bundle of activities, study material, craft and drawing kit, and an apron for activities. That will help your child in developing their motor skills, hand and eye coordination, develop their concentration skills, recognizing power, build their imagination skills, color recognition, and many more. In short, this program will focus on your overall development of your child. So, build a strong foundation by enrolling your toddlers to Mini Minds and witness your joyful journey of play and learn. Thank you.